Hey there, cozy seekers. Do you know that you only need to channel your inner ogre to make your bed irresistible? Because you see, ogres are like onions. They have layers. Layer, layer, and layer some more. Start with the basics: a high-quality mattress, a fluffy comforter, and soft sheets. Then bring in some extra warmth with throw blankets, a variety of pillows, and maybe even a stuffed animal or two. Wait, do those sound overhyped? Continue where we left off a week ago. We will break down 6 cozy bedroom ideas to complete 4 previous ones you probably have watched and tried. As always, Simp Home curates you with the last and second parts. A unique IKEA Kallax hack with a 3-part desk system. Hi DIY fans, ready for the ultimate IKEA Kallax hack that'll turn your workspace into a multitasking marvel? Strap in because we're diving into a world of shiplap, green painter's tape, and some grade A geometry skills. First, assemble the Kallaxes, like a stacking game but with furniture. And don't forget to map out the space with green painter's tape, the unsung hero of the DIY world. On to building the desktops. Lay down those 1x8 and 1x2 boards and double-check the fit. Then grab your trusty miter saw and remember, fingers and blades don't mix. Step 3. Attach table legs and aprons, upside down because who doesn't love a challenge? And lastly, build a ledger to support your side desktops. Forget the gym, you've got 2x4 scraps and a stud finder for your workout needs. The benefits? This desk is a multitasking maestro. It's a monitor holder, a catch-all for pending items, a kid's doodle zoo, and even a sewing table. Talk about a jack of all trades. So if you're ready to up your DIY game, tackle this IKEA Kallax hack and let the green painter's tape become your best friend. How to build a minimalist but fancy walk-in closet behind the bed. Get ready for the ultimate fancy walk-in closet IKEA hack. This couple faced a challenge: too many doors and windows, but no wall for their dream closet. Luckily, the Platza cupboard system from IKEA swooped in and saved the day. As flexible as a yogi in action, plus a bed frame with storage on the back of the headboard. Talk about multitasking. They combined 80 centimeters and 60 centimeter modules with drawers, clothes rails, and shelves for storage nirvana. To add airiness, they chose Ridaboo doors with glass inserts and stylish Amanda handles from Pretty Pegs. But wait, Lathit panels cover module backs, creating a secret closet hideout behind the bed. And with the patented plug-in system, even IKEA newbies can assemble it quickly. So, do you always want a secret hideout closet behind the bed? Try this fancy walk-in closet IKEA hack and feel like a secret agent whenever you enter your hidden closet. The best under eaves wardrobe hack yet with IKEA. Welcome to the world of under eaves wardrobe hacking, where cardboard templates and kettlebells are essential tools. The first step, build the side units, and lucky for us, IKEA cabinets come with enough cardboard to create a makeshift template. Who needs a table saw when you got a jigsaw and a DIY partner in crime, even if they're heavily pregnant or replaced by a kettlebell? Now let's talk about the measurements. The side units consist of 2 cabinets each, one at 80 centimeters by 80 centimeters by 60 centimeters, and the other at 60 centimeters by 80 centimeters by 37 centimeters. And don't forget the small ply plinth to prevent drawer scraping. It's all about maximizing storage in the attic, folks. And the hanging rail? Well, that's over-engineered for maximum support because who knows how heavy a wardrobe full of clothes can be. Better safe than sorry, right? And it's all held together with some structural pine and a metal hanging rail. So if you're ready to take your under-eaves storage to the next level, grab some cardboard, a jigsaw, and maybe even a kettlebell. And remember, who needs a table saw when you've got an IKEA hack to do? A DIY industrial shelf, a cozy bedroom upgrade on a shoestring. Welcome to the DIY Industrial Shelf Saga. Witness a cozy bedroom transformation for under €45 that'll make your wallet chuckle with glee. Number 1, saw wooden boards into majestic shelves and drill holes at the corners, just a smidge larger than threaded rods. Number 2, slide the boards onto the rods, securing them with bolts like a delicious shelf sandwich. Number 3, crown your creation with a blind bolt for a snazzy finish. Voila! But beware wobbly shelves. Ensure stability by attaching the top shelf to the wall or adding an extra bolt to tighten each board. The pièce de résistance? Customize away. Choose your preferred shelf count, heights, and columns for an industrial swagger. Paint bolts and rods black and grace boards with tinted varnish. In conclusion, this budget-friendly, humor-filled DIY industrial shelf will revolutionize your bedroom while proudly displaying your prized rubber chicken collection. Cozy and comical? Absolutely. A DIY wooden scaffolding bed, the ultimate sleep fortress with Simba. Craving a bedroom upgrade with a touch of humor? Well, craft a homemade wooden scaffolding bed and pair it with a Simba mattress for a slumber haven that's equal parts stylish and comfy. Buckle up for a step-by-step adventure. Fair warning, this DIY project may require advanced skills, but the result will leave you grinning like a well-rested Cheshire cat. Number 1, sand, prime, and lacquer all planks, except the back. Repeat for a sleek finish. Number 2, assemble 2 separate frames using planks, reinforcement corners, and screws. Congrats, you've got a bed skeleton. Number 3, to avoid turning your floor into Scratchville, slap on some anti-scratch felt pads at the bottom of the lower frame. Number 4, combine the frames, add a slatted base on the legs, and crown your masterpiece with a Simba mattress. Ta-da! A dreamy wooden fortress awaits. Now let's talk about Simba. Testing a mattress in a furniture store for 5 minutes doesn't guarantee a good night's sleep, but it sure hints at its coziness. Simba's double mattress provides that perfect balance. Not too firm, not too soft, like a marshmallow cloud. The cherry on top, Simba's double mattress means no more separate mattresses for couples as long as you both love it. Our author's 180 centimeter by 210 centimeter mattress arrived within days in a comically large cardboard box. So what are you waiting for? Get your DIY on and make your own wooden scaffolding bed with Simba. Your bedroom will look like it belongs in a fancy interior design magazine, and you'll be the envy of all your friends. Just don't blame us if you end up with a sore back from all that heavy lifting. Before and after the epic transformation of a drab bedroom with a headboard closet. Once upon a time, in a bedroom so tiny and dull, a brilliant idea was born, a headboard closet to make the most of those precious square feet. The magical ingredients? 2 IKEA PAX modules, 100 by 60 by 236 centimeters and 50 centimeters wide. Flank the bed, and 2 IKEA Platza modules, 60 by 55 by 40 centimeters. Bridge above it like a storage rainbow. A custom white shelf was laid across the bed's width, doubling as a stealthy headboard and coffee table. Its camouflage skills would make a chameleon jealous. On one side, a closet crammed with bars for hanging clothes, shelves, and drawers. The bars, cheaper than a fast food meal, maximize storage. For shirts and jackets, 110 centimeter high spaces are perfect. On the other side, our author executed a realm of shelves, including a retractable shoe rack for the beloved kicks. Removable shelves may be pricier, but they're worth their weight in gold. In the most accessible zone, between 90 and 150 centimeters high, shelves with dividers and glass fronts reign supreme. Plus, a spot for the top. But wait, there's more. The showpiece, an IKEA Icorns full-length mirror with a hidden clothes hanging area. With this appeal, any nighttime valet will make you feel like royalty. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.